So let's, please.
Okay. This is a question from Brother Yusuf from Germany. He would like to know how the Khalifa is elected in Jamaat Ahmadiyya. Is it by appointment by the living Khalifa or through an election? Also, he would like to know about how the Kholofa Rashdeen were elected after Hadith Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.
First of all, the system in vogue in Jamaat Ahmadiyya is this, that a Khalifa is never appointed by his previous Khalifa, but he is elected by an electoral college, which goes into sleep during the lifetime of a Khalifa, as though it is non-existent. And all the members are chosen according to their merit, and for this there are regular laws which control this. I don't want to go into the details, a long list of those are already enrolled in that electoral college. So after the death of a caliph, they immediately wake up, the electoral college members, and it is they who elect the next Khalifa. And the procedure for that is that before the burial of the next Khalifa, they get together in the mosque, and after a very brief ceremony and prayer, they begin to propose names. And people are not permitted to speak highly of the names they propose. You just briefly introduce him and pray that whoever is the best in the sight of Allah should be elected. So within a few minutes, 15-30 minutes, this election is completed, and whoever is elected the next caliph, he leads the janazah of the previous caliph and takes over as a caliph. This is the system of election now in vogue in Jamaat Ahmadiyya. We believe that a crude system of the same type was also at the time of Kholofa Rashdeen. No Khalifa was proposed by the previous one. Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu was elected by a few representatives of different people, different not tribes but different sections of Medina, and nobody objected against them. So naturally it worked as an electoral college, and they voted for him, Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq. No other name was even proposed, and all the world of Islam followed. So there was no question of Shia Sunni difference at that time. They all followed, and with the grace of Allah, the first caliphate was established. Surprisingly, the same thing happened at the time of Khalifa Awwal. There was no difference at his time. All the Jamaat, including the members of the Anjuman Ahmadiyya, etc., they totally agreed with his election as Khalifa al-Masih. So that is the first part of the question. And the second is?
That was about the Khilafah al-Rashida بعد رسول صلى الله عليه وسلم.
I've already given the answer.